Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Austin Fish-Farner over here at SCI Distribution, and we've been getting quite a few questions about the RZR Factory Pro R. So we thought we would put together a couple videos to show you some of the key components of the factory vehicle. So some of the accessories that you're going to want to install on this vehicle before you head to a race were purposely left off from the factory due to the fact that different drivers have different sponsors and also custom preferences that they like. Certain things like navigation and stuff like that. We did try to simplify it, and we offer a couple upfit packages that will complete your car and get it ready to go to the race. Some of those items include things like Lowrance GPS systems on the passenger side and also a driver's side option. We also offer a PCI, intercom, and radio, along with a PCI air pumper to keep fresh air blowing. We also have PRP drinker bags here that are insulated to help keep you cool and give you some water during the race. Some of the other options are Fox shocks. The vehicle does come with stock standard Fox shocks from the factory. We also offer an upgraded package on that. Some of the other options are things such as an AGM jack that fits into the mount that was designed on the chassis, along with spare tire back here and a Starlink up on top so you can stay connected even when you're in the middle of the most remote areas. As far as storage goes in the car, we have a couple options for that as well. We actually have Polaris RZR custom designed door bags that fit right into the chassis on the doors and inside in the lower part of the cab. In the rear bumper, we have custom PRP bags that fit inside the storage box that is once again integrated into the chassis. The list of accessories that we offer was based straight off of our RZR factory race team cars. That way we were able to save the customers the time and hassle from trying to figure it out on their own.